Hello, and today is just a quick Hosk CRM Dev Tip. It's not really mine, but I'm using it. It's a best practice, really. I got reminded of this twice recently, once by a fellow developer, and then secondly, I think whilst I was studying for the MB2 703 CRM 2013 Customization and Configuration exam. And it's basically that when you use a field of type lookup, that you should add a suffix of ID on the end of it. This just makes it clear that this field isn't a text or a whole number or any of the other field types, that it's actually a lookup to a GUID. And so when you're looking at all the fields, you can easily tell that this is a lookup. It's got ID on there, and that's all it is really. That's all lookups are. They're just looking up, giving you a link to another field so you can use that GUID ID to retrieve more details of that field. So let's have a little look. There's my solution in CRM. I click that and I'll go to account. I'll have a look at fields. And another good reason is to do it is because Microsoft do it, so it means that your code will be similar to Microsoft's code, and it's a best practice. So if you work in different projects with different developers, hopefully you should all do this best practice, and then all your code will look similar, and you'll know every time you see a field with an ID, like address ID here, it's a primary key, but that's basically a lookup. And you can just scroll down and easily find not that one. Here we go, look, originating lead ID, parent account ID, so you know that that's a lookup, and it's not an option set or a text, whole number, etc. I mean, it also makes sort of sense logically, I think, because basically all this is an entity reference which has the logical entity name and then a GUID. So having ID there reminds you that this is an ID. Inside this variable field is an ID to look up to get more details. Right, that's my quick tip. Goodbye.